Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in our fourth video in the Interstate 22 series, we continue east along I-22 and US Highway 78, which leads to Blue Springs, a village just to the north. Here, State Highway 9 South joins us for several miles. We enter the town of Sherman, which straddles three counties, Union, Lee, and Pontotoc. Sherman has a population of 687. At exit 76, Mississippi Highway 9's concurrency ends. We enter Pontotoc County, which is named for the Chickasaw word for land of hanging grapes. Pontotoc County has a population of 31,550. We enter Lee County, which has a population of 85,381. Lee County was established on October 26, 1866 and was named for Robert E. Lee, General-in-Chief of the Armies of the Confederate States. We enter Tupelo, the county seat and largest city of Lee County, Mississippi. Tupelo was the first city to gain an electrical power grid under President Franklin D. Roosevelt's program of the Tennessee Valley Authority construction of facilities during the Great Depression. The city is also the birthplace of singer Elvis Presley. we enter Itawamba County, which has a population of 23,529. The county was named for the Chickasaw leader Itawamba, known to English-speaking settlers as Levi Colbert. He was prominent during the Indian removal period of the early 19th century, but died before his people left the area. Our video for today ends at exit 101, which leads to Peppertown. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, be sure and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.